This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com, as we come to the close of trading for May 22nd, 2019. Let's take a look at markets here. We're going to be taking a look at the social media sector, where we have stocks like Facebook, Twitter, and other names. So let's take a look at the ETF SOCL. Now, what I want to discuss here is, on the surface, it seems like we are in a sideways market as far as this ETF is concerned, because we are trading between the 200-day and the 50-day moving average. Generally speaking, when you are trading in this range between the two, it tends to suggest a sideways market. Generally speaking, of course, right? Now, that could be the case, but I want to show you this could be more going on if you consider the RSI. What do I mean by this? Now, considering the RSI, what we see here is, go back to where there was a nice entry. On hindsight, we can see that there is a movement here. Whoops. So let me start all over there. So this movement here, we can see, led to a nice recovery run. We can take that information and draw our uniformity support line. Something like that. Now you can see why I'm saying somewhere here could be make or break. In other words, the more we can hold this level, this is actually a sign of a market that could build and start moving higher for a swing trade higher, maybe even to attack recent highs here. Also, this same area of the RSI suggestive that should we break below this green line, chances are very high that we are going to take out recent daily lows, and that would suggest a break below to fresh recent daily lows range, and we might actually attack lower prices. So even though the moving averages are telling us that not much is going on, now that we are trading between the 50 and the 200-day moving average, I think the RSI is more accurate, in the sense that if we end up finding support on this green line, that's good enough for stability area and for movement higher. Should we fail to hold this level on the RSI, expect movement to the downside, maybe even to take out recent lows as low as here, or maybe even this low or this low. These become the logical target areas if this line here, the uniformity line, does not hold. If you are new to the concept of uniformity, I'll provide some links in the description of the video. In other words, what I'm saying is the stock is very aware of this level and has been using this for interesting areas where we get swing trades in the direction of either a break or support. Again, the 38.2 level is legit, and so what I'm saying here is this area where the RSI is trading is make or break in the short term, and we can dispel what the moving averages are trying to suggest, which is a sideways know-nothing market. I think the RSI should be more accurate. We'll see how it goes. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. I'm out for now. I'll be back in the next video.